Hello friends, welcome once again. So today we're going to cook chicken tikka masala, a cousin of Indian butter chicken, but we're just going to skip all the butter part of it. We leave it far behind in the fridge because we're cooking at home. So we leave all the butter, cream, etc., which usually goes into butter chicken or chicken tikka masala away from our recipe. If you want the real with the works chicken tikka masala, then you please visit one of your local restaurants and eat out to help out. But for us, for today, we'll do chicken tikka masala without any cream or butter. It's a two-stage process. We have to marinate and cook chicken separate and make the sauce separate. So if you followed my recipes for garlic and tomato chutney and garlic and yogurt chutney, we're going to use both. We're going to use the garlic and yogurt chutney to marinate the chicken. So let's do that first. So here I have chicken, both breast and thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to put for marination lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have in your fridge. I'm putting lime at the moment, but lemon is equally good. A bit of salt. And my yogurt and garlic chutney. If you haven't made it yet, please do make it. The link would be given below. Now, because this contains yogurt, red chilies, garlic, ginger, green chilies, so this is a fantastic marination to have as a marination. You can always use it as a chutney, but you can also use it as a marination and also in curries. So it's really versatile thing to have in your fridge. Bit of our aromatic garam masala and a bit of chili, and with clean hands you just mix it up and leave it aside if you have the time for about half an hour. This we're going to cook in the air fryer. Okay, that's done. And I'm going to put this aside and we're going to move on to the curry. So I'm going to make the tikka masala or butter chicken sauce in my pressure cooker, but you can always use any other pot which has a tight lid. So it's a tomato based sauce. So there's lots of tomatoes. I'm putting fresh tomatoes, some Italian passata which gives fantastic color, and obviously the tomato thing to the gravy. And I have some leftover again tinned chopped tomatoes, which I'm also going to put it in. So as you see, loads of tomatoes go in. Then my mixture of white and red onions, not too much. In goes my tomato and garlic chutney. The link for the recipe should be below, because this has, apart from tomatoes, it has Kashmiri chili, green chili and ginger and garlic. It's perfect. going to put a bit more of the chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder. It won't make it too hot, but give a very good color. Then comes my surprise ingredient, which is oatmeal or white oats, which would give body and consistency to the sauce. Another important ingredient is the Kasturi Methi. This is a dry fenugreek. In goes that. Some coriander stems and some Turkish chillies hidden in between. And I have dry roasted these cashews in the air fryer, which go in as well. This is because it's a rich curry. Cashew nuts will provide the richness to the curry. And that's it really. And then top it up with water. In goes the salt. Because it's so tomatoey, to balance the flavors, I'm going to put a bit of sugar as well. And that's it. It's all done, and it's again pressure cooked for about 25 minutes. So while the curry is cooking at the other end in the pressure cooker, I'm going to cook the chicken tikka in the air fryer. So there you go, the chicken tikka goes in. If you want to skewer it, you can do this, and you can skewer it as well. So I'm cooking at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. So this is now done. Look how well this is cooked. As also the skewers. So here we go. This is bubbling away. It's almost cooked. It's been 25 minutes, and now we going to just stick blend it and make it into a fine puree. There you go. This looks nice and smooth. We again finish it off with a bit of our aromatic garam masala. And since this sauce is still vegetarian, and as we haven't had any dairy to it, so it's a vegan sauce, I'm going to take some out and make a vegetarian dish out of it, or a vegan dish out of it, and to the rest I would add the chicken. And in goes the chicken. The chicken is already cooked, but it's always a good idea to give them a boil together for a couple of minutes, and your chicken tikka masala is ready. Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed today's chicken tikka masala recipe. I hope you cook a lot of it at home. Next time I think we'll go a bit south, and I want to make sambar but Punjabi style. Well, what is sambar Punjabi style? Well, please do watch next time. Thank you.